How to turn on or off chat notification on REDnote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a REDnote application in your mobile device. So go ahead and open it up. Once you open the REDnote app, you want to make sure that you're logged into your REDnote account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you land in your profile section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this gear-like icon. Now once you're inside settings, simply tap on notification settings. Now inside notification settings, you'll find chat notification. Go ahead and tap onto it. And from here, you can simply toggle this button off. If you would like to turn off private chat, you can toggle off this button. If you would like to turn off group chat, you can toggle off group chat. And also, if you would like to turn off stranger chat, you can simply toggle it off. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.